Air Jordan 1 Low Triple Black is set to make a comeback in spring 2026, bringing back its timeless, all-black look. Last seen in 2022, this sleek and stealthy colorway returns unchanged, maintaining its minimalist appeal that makes it a go-to in any sneaker rotation. The pair features a full black leather upper, matching nylon tongue, laces, and inner lining, with subtle tonal details like the stitched wings logo on the heel and an embroidered Jumpman on the tongue. A blacked-out midsole and outsole complete the monochromatic design. Though it's not tied to a hyped collaboration or limited release, the triple black AJ1 Low remains a staple for its clean aesthetic and everyday versatility. It's a perfect choice for those who love the Air Jordan 1 silhouette but prefer a more understated look. Expect the return in spring 2026 on Nike.com and select Jordan brand retailers.